You see, I will not be able to divulge much details, but then there are certain codal formalities which are listed in the financial rules, which we are bound by. So it was found that there could be major audit objections in future because the general financial rules were not followed in totality. So since the work had not actually commenced, it was considered better to stop the work or to withdraw the order. Only after following the procedure in selecting the implementing agency will it be given again. So the work stands because it was recommended by the MP. The money sanctioned by the MP also stands. Only the implementing agency has to be reselected as per the proper procedures. It might still happen that the same agency is selected, but only the procedure will be more transparent and fair.
विजय म्हणतात जे कितें उरलां ते रोखडेच तडीक लावन प्रोजेक्ट सुरू करपाचो यत्न करतले.
CCTV प्रोसिजरल न्ही कितें म्हणून तुमी वाय यू वॉन्ट मी टू अबय तो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर ताका जर हेल्प करतले जाल्यार आमी उलोवप कमी जाल्यार हेल्प जातली न्ही ताका. लेट्स फायंड आउट वॉट इज द प्रॉब्लम. एक आसता की MPLADs आर टायम बाउंड प्रोजेक्ट्स, इट शुड नॉट बी डिले. वी हॅव इनॉग्रेटेड द वर्क ऑल्सो, सो वील ट्राय टू सी अ वे आउट. आय डोंट नो द डिटेल्स. लेट्स सी हाउ इट वर्क्स.
जिल्ह्यात अरिष्टाची परिस्थिती हाताळपाविषयी तिने वेगवेगळ्या संबंधित खात्यातल्या ऑफिसरांबरोबर 3 वेगवेगळ्या बसका घेतल्यो.
We had 3 rounds of meetings today, all related to the disaster preparedness in the district. The first meeting was called the District Disaster Management Authority, which is chaired by the collector. In the meeting, we discussed the proposals which will be sent to the state government for approval for expenditure from the disaster fund, that is SDRF funds, for the provisioning of certain emergency kits to be made available with all the revenue functionaries. The second meeting that we had was called the District Crisis Management Committee. The member secretary for the meeting is Inspector Factories and Boilers. This committee was notified in the year 2002, that is long before Disaster Management Act came into place. At that particular point of time, the mandate of this particular notification or this crisis group management committee was to deal with the major accident hazard units in the district, and in case of any chemical disaster arising out of these major hazard units, how to deal with it. Their function is, they being the expert bodies in handling disasters, so we would be giving the disaster management plan of the major accident hazard units to these bodies, and they will do an audit of those plans and inform us whether the audit or the disaster plans of the major accident hazard units is proper or not. The third meeting that we had was regarding the monsoon preparedness. So they have been directed that the taluka level control rooms will be set up at all the talukas, and all the respective departments have to identify and deploy one personnel manning that control room 24/7.
प्रुडंटा खातीर भीमा पाटील.